Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Picsart app. To know how to fix or how to solve jump button on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart, and you can click. Here we'll enter to first stop, and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find the update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.